Hey guys, Brian here with VetteSource on a hot August day, coming back with another one of our field find detailed videos on one of our cars here. So if you've taken a look at our videos in the past, you've seen that we have 22, 23 cars out here in the field we're looking to get rid of. There's a link at the top of the video here for the overview I did of all of them. This is a detail on the 36 Packard 120 convertible that we've got sitting here. As you can see, it's basically a mid-restoration or early restoration halted project. Of course, there's your body number right there on it. This one was missing, I think, the bronze, the normal tag that it has to tell you where it came from. But it is pretty much body is all here. The wood needs to be replaced in it, obviously. Shells here, the cowl section, the rear section of it. The best part about this car, honestly, is the frame. They started out with a restored, well, they restored the frame completely. The wheels are actually still here on it. But the suspension was all put back together again when this car was put together. The radiators in it, the radiator cooling panel, the fins are here in it. So there's a lot of good stuff on this, but this suspension was completely redone. I can kind of get underneath here and show you guys what it looks like a little bit. It's pretty nice. The rear end's in there. You can see it right there, all intact. And it was all done. It was painted and put back together. It's been sitting here in the field for a while now. The body is basically just kind of set down on top of it. The doors obviously need rust repair in the bottoms, but it's a pretty good car parts wise. You could restore it. I've seen Packards in worse shape put back together. The original rims are there. That one's got that original hubcap on it. The banjo steering wheel is still in it. Let's see, yeah, just that one hubcap's on the car. Steering column's in here. A couple of extra pieces of wood right there. The cowl vent's still here, radiator. So lots of goodies left on it. Like I said, the best part about this is that frame. If you're looking for an original 36 coupe or convertible frame, I don't know if the convertibles and coupes had different frame assemblies on them. Maybe some of the Packard guys can chime in on that. But if you have any more questions or need any more information about it, definitely give me a call. My number is 832-654-7367. My name is Brian, and I'll be back probably tomorrow with a few more videos detailing some of the other cars we've got here in the field that we're looking to get rid of. Short little overview there. So we'll be back in touch tomorrow. Thanks again for watching, guys, and we'll talk to you then.